All right, these are super easy questions on this A.6. We're going to write quadratic equations given real solutions and the graphs of the related equations. We're given the graph of the equation, and then we're given our answer choices in standard form. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do right off the bat is I'm going to identify my zeros of the graph. I have zeros of the graph are going to be here at x is equal to 0 and 6. Notice all my answer choices have an a value of 1. So we know, and we're going to use that to our advantage, and we're going to say our a value is 1. So when I write my equation, this is going to be y is equal to x. You could do minus or plus minus 0 times x, and then it's going to be opposite, minus 6. Okay? Now, think about if you have x minus 0, anything is just going to give you x. So this is going to be y is equal to x times x minus 6. So this is the factored form of this quadratic graph. Now I'm going to go ahead and FOIL so that I can write my equation. So this is going to give me y is equal to x times x is x squared. X times negative 6 gives me negative 6x, which is our answer choice, H. All right, we're done with that question. Next question. The graph shows a height of and feet of an object above the ground at t seconds after it was launched in the air. We want to know which function is represented by the graph of this equation. Again, I'm going to go ahead and use the zeros of the graph, which is going to be x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. Thinking about my a value, all of my answer choices have an a value of negative 16. So this is going to be y is equal to negative 16 times x minus 0 times x minus 4. All right, so then I'm going to get rid of that 0. So that's going to give me negative 16 times x minus 4. This becomes negative 16x times x minus 4. We're going to go ahead and distribute our negative 16. That gives me negative 16x plus 4 times 16 gives me 64, which is, and it should be x, or rather, in case this should be t, because we have t here. So that will give us our answer choice C. All right, and actually that should be x squared. I forgot about that. All right, next question. The quadratic graph is shown on the grid below, and we want to know which equation is best. Now, notice that our quadratic is going down, so that means it's a sad parabola. So that means our a value is equal to negative 1. So I'm going to eliminate f, and I'm going to eliminate h. Okay, now I'm going to pick my values, my x-intercepts. That's going to be x is equal to negative 4 and positive 1. So now when I write my terms, my quadratics, that's going to be negative 1 times x plus 4 times x minus 1. I can FOIL that negative 1 in there, or I can go ahead and FOIL these two binomials. First, let's go ahead and do that. So that's going to give me x times x, which is x squared, minus x plus 4x, and then that's going to be minus 4. Combine like terms, that's going to give me y is equal to negative 1 times x squared plus 3x minus 4. We're going to distribute that negative. So that's going to give me y is equal to negative x squared minus 3x plus 4, which is our answer choice G. Done. Next question is the next TEK, so we will go over that in the next video. I will see you then.